It is your boy. It's just Dre. I don't know what I'm saying like this, but yeah. We are back with another is it DIY? DIY? Or DYI? DIY? I don't know. I've been experimenting. Your boy has been experimenting. I wanted to install some ambient lighting. I'm not gonna lie. I've seen my boy Chuck with ambient lighting. I was like, oh, bro, that look cool. So I wanted to install some ambient lighting in the Q just to spice up the interior, bro, because I feel like it's just blah. So, no further ado, you know what I'm saying? Your boy, I already got started. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, check it out. Just check it out. Yeah.
System ready.
I went ahead, did one door. I did the middle console. I thought this was probably gonna be the hardest part, but it wasn't even that hard. It was that easy. You just gotta go in the middle console, go in here and find you a 12-volt power source, which I did. I think I wired it to the extra. If you have a Q, it's an extra. What is it? Cigarette? It's a cigarette lighter. Okay. Let me put some light on. These thingies. That I have another one of those in here. So that was my 12-volt source of energy, of power. So I wired it to there, and then voila, it literally powered on. Once you power this on, bro, once you get this, all this be easy. So I'm about to walk y'all through how to take it off the door and install it. It might look clean, man. Look clean. I'm gonna put some stars in here next. Let's show y'all another DIY or was it DYI? Same thing. But yeah, it's on this side too. Can I get it? Yeah, there you go. It's on that side too. Flushed it with this crappy plastic stuff. To be honest, all this stuff coming apart. And that's what just make it like so simple. But all of it come apart. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I don't want to make the intro too long, but y'all stay tuned. I'm about to show y'all how to take the door off. First you want to do, hold on, let me get my picks and stuff. Hold up. All right, we back. Got me a little pick. First thing you do is you pick this up. It's the little plastic thing at the bottom. Where's my light at? It just looks so dark over here. Let me see if I can find some light. God damn it. Put on my knockers. Look. Y'all official with it. First, you're gonna get in here. Gonna remove this bolt. Got me a screwdriver. Stick it down there. Turn it. There you go. Gonna unscrew that. Call me the one-hand man. There you go, brother. Look at the veins. Okay. There you go. Remove that screw. Then you want to take your pick again. And behind here, it is a 10 mil bolt. See if I can do it. Yep. 10 mil bolt. Get you a 10 mil. Unscrew that. Here I come. I'm coming right back. I'm back. Okay. Gonna take the 10 mil. Don't go nowhere. Just like that. Remove that screw. I got tools in the car. They don't stay there, but yeah. Okay, make it more convenient. Gonna pull here. Pop this off. Well, I think it'll pop off by itself, but doing this all with one hand. Get off. Get off. Oh, there you go. And then you just want to do these clips. 1, 2, that goes to the lock on the door. That goes to the windows up, windows down. And then you want to remove, where is it? Is it just one? Oh, it's just one, never mind. That, and then the one down here that does the door lamp to the ground. Yeah, the door light. Just remove those 1, 2, 3, and then it'll come off. Okay, all right, next, door is off, got that off. Next, we're gonna find a power source in this door. So what I'm about to do is, I got this from Harbor Freights, I think for like $3.99, $4, comes in handy. And it finds a power source for you. So I have this plugged up, and I wanna say, let me see if I can do this. It's kind of hard, hold up, bear with me. Bear with me. Let's see. Oh, let me set this up first. Bam, okay, we back. Go through and you find your power source. As you can see, this yellow wire right here is my power source. Let me zoom in on it. It's my power source. So you will connect your red wire to that yellow wire, and then you will connect your black wire. I believe it might be the black wire or it might be the blue wire. Let me double check the ground. Let me double check for you. We are back again. Like I said, yellow with red and black with black, that is your ground. I taped them up because if they touch, they will heat up. So I wrapped the red wire by itself and I plugged it in, and then I wrapped the black wire by itself and plugged it in. Now all we have to do now is put the door back on and actually line it up and install the light. So stay tuned, I'm about to do all this, and I think it goes for every door, it's the same, so I'll be back. Okay, yes sir, we are back in the whip. We finally finished up all the ambient lighting in here. About to show y'all what it looked like. Press one button. There you go, right there. All 4 doors, nicely tucked. And right now I have it like on the dimmest setting. I think it's on like, I think it's on like 2, and it goes all the way to 100. So this is 2, but like even 50% is like real bright. So yeah, my ambient lighting I did in my car, just to spice up the interior here, bro. Make it not look so boring. And I will leave the link down where I got these lights from. I think I got these lights for like $15 off Amazon. I said Amazon, I mean eBay. Hold on, man, my keys just fell in the pit of death, bro. Oh my God. Okay. I got it. So yeah, I got them like $15 on Amazon, bro. So it's not a bad deal for these. And it's basically like plug and play. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? Like the video up, subscribe. Appreciate you for watching. Peace.